How to get a Hypercharge Pin in Brawl Stars. Now, first things first, before we go into direct tutorial, all you have to do first is to fully make sure that your Brawl Stars application is updated to the latest version. Now just head to your Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the application, and in here you should be able to know if your Brawl Stars needs an updating because there's gonna be an update button visible in there. Just simply tap on that and it will automatically do the magic by itself. Now just go directly to your Brawl Stars application and make sure that you logged into your account. Now Hypercharge Pin is actually a specific event prize that you can get. So before older updates, you cannot just actually just check it out on the shop and then heading directly to catalog and purchase it manually using your specific font. Now, on the latest update, they are trying to provide this on certain events. In this event, if you are fully um, functioning or if you're actually participating in that event, and if that hypercharge is one of their rewards, then you can actually get them for free. So what you want to do for this recent or for this latest update is just to check the events time to time so that you should be able to track them if the hypercharge is already available to be earned. And those are the ways for you to be able to get a hypercharge pin in Brawl Stars.